Hi, team. I want to talk to you about that worm parasite thing. And this is something that, quite frankly, I recommend to all my patients, my family, my wife, and I. We do a worm parasite detox every year. You can get worm and parasites. It's very common here, even in the United States, from our water system, certain foods that we eat, some of the vegetables and the fruits and things that we consume. So just understand that it can be a problem for anyone. The findings that you get sometimes are oriented to GI type problems, GI symptoms, gas, bloating, just indigestion type feeling, having an extreme appetite sometimes. Having no appetite can also show up the same problem. But we've also found that it has an effect on the liver. And these can be different types of parasites. And what the liver does is by cleansing and taking care and balancing and doing a lot of different functions, huge functions in the body, it's extremely important to have it function correctly. Parasites are one of those things that can create a problem in your body, GI tract, and the liver. A liver detox needs to involve a program where you're attacking the circulatory system, the colon, and the liver, and a few others. We have developed over the years a worm parasite program that was based on two things: the circulatory system, the liver, and the GI tract. At the same time, it handles the egg production that can be a lingering problem. So it takes about 40 days to go through the program. In doing that, you're basically attacking, killing, eliminating. Then you've got to give those eggs the chance to actually hatch and remove those again. So you do the same program twice with a 20-day block in a period of time. So it's about a 10-day deal, and then you go 20 days off, then you do another 10-day deal. And for most people, that's enough. Sometimes you've got to attack a little bit more. There's a time in my life where I traveled a lot in Central America and Asia and even parts of Europe where, and we used to go outdoors a lot too. And I was doing river rafting, and so you're out there, you're exposed, and so it was extremely important for myself, or my wife, my family, and those that I traveled with to make sure that we had everything that we needed to be able to handle that. One of the products that we use in this cleanse is called BCT oil, and it normally is an exterior product. It's something you put on something basically to kill bacteria or fungus or something of that nature, and have an empty capsule. To take the large side of the capsule and you fill it up with the oil, and then you put a cap on it and you take it. And that has been an addition that we've done to the worm parasite program, but also it's something you can do individually. I had a patient this morning down in the clinic, and she came to me, I've got this and this, and I go, look, I says, you need to do a BCT in a capsule for a couple days here, and let's see if we get some change. And usually it's extreme diarrhea, giardia, that kind of thing. You want to make sure to be able to reach for this. So these are things that not only do we do a detox once a year, but we also have it in our family first aid kit for any type of problem that we may find. And the same BCT oil is good for mosquito bites and burns. I mean, different infections, things like that too. So, and hopefully that was good. Just a little tidbit on worm detox and how important it is to clean your body. Thank you.